How to remove payment method on the shop app. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can remove payment method on the shop application. To remove your payment method, the first thing to do is to log in into your shop application, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically, where you can see product or items that are affordable and that you can get on your shop application. Once you can see this, go to the lowest part of the screen where you can see icons like the home icon, notification icon, the cart icon, others icon, and then your profile icon. Just go ahead and click on your profile icon. Once you're on the profile page, the next thing to do is move to the top right corner and click on the three horizontal lines that you can see there. And then after doing that, amongst the options displayed, ensure you select settings. Then afterwards, you'll be brought to the settings page. On this page, the next thing to do is to go ahead and click on your payment method. Then after clicking on your payment method, you'll be taken to the payment method page. On this page, you will see your different payment method that you've added. Find the payment method you want to remove, tap on it, and then amongst the options that will be displayed to you, select delete, and then just like that, that particular payment method will be removed on your shop account. So that is how it works. Just go ahead, navigate through to your settings page, click on your payment method, and then select the payment method you want to remove, tap on it, select delete, and the payment method would be removed. So thanks for watching and have a good day.